Welcome to Drift Mansion 2026, baby.
Liking it better? Yeah. Is that toe, huh? Yeah. So throw it off. It still make that noise.
Yeah, I still feel it, but I don't feel it much.
We don't need no front brakes, man. We got hydro and gas.
Alright, let's park this bitch.
Alright. Is it getting warm?
Nah.
You know what? These lug nuts were really loose. And I know Noah torqued them, but I'm not blaming Noah for anything because I blew them out before the wheel could come off.
Charlie, don't take it off with the torque stick on.
I want to make sure it's got 100 pounds so you can take it off. So if it needs to come off, then it's more than 100.
That's definitely not how that works.
Yeah, good man, baby.
I've been gone in a million flashes to do with the man in the masses, fading away like a phoenix and rise from the ashes. Don't tell me society's classless, we're chilling around on the rasses, getting around and still keeping an eye on the masses.
go-karts have.
Yeah, you can't pull that out.
I tried to save it, man. I tried.
They told us you did. All right, time for a two beer.
Yeah.
What? Car?
He's trying to run from Samantha. She's like, trying to take me home.
Quarter-inch. Like a zip tie
You
size.
can either be a smart fella
I'm just gonna
Just
battle
or a
stitch
fart
it.
smeller.
Loosen it, back up. Back it up. A little bit. Alright, now tug it from there. Alright, give it another good one.
Think this is gonna work?
No. Ready? It's not gonna do nothing.
In front of the white one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why we drift this year.
What happened?
Well, that's a lot.
Train came and told on y'all.
That's a lot.
Who did?
Or is
Oh, Frank trying to get it in our story in first.
Yeah, Train told on y'all.
That's crazy.
On the trailer.
Hey, look. Labels blowing up my line, they got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you licking balls. Feel like AirBNB, baby, I'll be cooler than the mink weather. Make a coke bottle, give me brain till I think better. Back up on my shit again, hanging out with Benjamin. Franklin got me stankin' in the Lincoln, talking dividends. Look at what we did again, water dipping in. Down in Texas on them elbows, where your digits been. All these niggas pussy, I can smell it through the audio. Lapping everybody, got me working on my cardio. Cardio with daddy home, creeping out the caddy cone. Straight from underground, I got these motherfuckers Maddie on. I've been kick pushing on my grind since the pro skate. I don't fuck with niggas, you would figure that I'm pro hate. Chillin' in the cut like a scab, ready to peel niggas. You ain't gotta like it, I promise you gotta deal with us. Used to be friendly, I'm off that and I'm on business. All I've been seeing is flawed jewelry and fake digits. So when I tell them I'm the coldest and they superstition, every time you see me, you gon' find me in a new position. Fuck you mean? Look, ain't had to tell them I'm the truth, I think they knew it. Don't like to talk about the shit, I like to do it. So while these other niggas hungry going through it, you see me thumbing through these hundreds getting to it. Ain't had to tell them I'm the truth, I think they knew it. Don't like to talk about that shit, I like to do it. So while these other niggas hungry going through it, you see me thumbing through these hundreds getting to it. I told her fuck a fat ass, do you have mag knees? I'ma need that right after the head, please. Bet your bitch leave way before my bread leave. Got them Googling the caption, trying to see who said these. Tell these hateful motherfuckers I been choosing love. It's the God, baby, tell me really who's above. These niggas walked and always talking what they used to was. Meanwhile, I'm raising up them digits like the Booster Club. I'm in my finest hour, hit the shower, fuck her for one. Doing push-ups, running laps around the comfortable ones. I be coolin', I be chillin', I be fucking with fun. But check the trophy case, I can't find nothing you done. Need Huxtable funds. Bitch, you either with it or you in the way. Making money, been the play, ain't looking for no friend today. I just came to kindergarten, I do not intend to stay. Look you in the eyes and let you know that's what I've been. Give it up.
That's a knock. Yeah, it's done. Got him. There goes the rod bearing. Ready to do an engine? Oh, yeah.
Job secured.
I heard it when I read it. Blame it on Colonel Sanders.
Fucking up the program.
I thought his name was Locke.
I blame it on that too.
Should be. I don't know if any of the lines got changed.
All right, so what we do is we go to U-Haul. For $19.95, you can rent one of their trucks, right? We keep it for a couple days, yank the engine out of it, and then we put the engine out of that in there.
Why'd you start it?
Lands engine.
Everybody salute.
Pour one out.
Captain goes down with the ship, brother.
Drift Mansion 2026, blowing motors, blowing bumpers, blowing fucking radiator supports, blowing bumpers, support. Fuck it. When I started, it was at 230, but Cammy didn't tell me it spiked up to like 260.
Can we get a?
Oh, it's your fault. Damn,
This is Eli. He's your photographer for the night.
Yep. Oh, by the way, I didn't.
And this is Tyler.
This is Tyler.
Is she gonna like this?
She's gonna love it.
I think.
Let me see that reaction on camera. Get it for the camera. Where you at?
Fuck the Empire State Building.
Appreciate you, boys.
Are you videoing? Oh.
You do realize that's what I do, right? don't
I
take
mean,
pictures.
sometimes you'd be taking pictures.
Most of the time, it's probably safe to assume I'm doing a video.
Okay. Well, I'll remember that for next time, and I won't just be like,
I was like, how long is she gonna do it? I just stayed.
just the whole time.
Just like we're at home. Yeah, no. Hey. Max out here, wrecking shop.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we do right here. I just oversee things, crack open a beer, and Noah, so he's really good. So we trust him. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good day.
I see that you want it, driving me crazy. But I try to ignore it. Part of me wants to say it right between the lines. And all of the back and forth, they say no,
Was that 4 lap? I don't know why Doug has a problem. Just kidding, Doug. I love you.
What's up, man? I'm not sweating through my shirt.
Water in the tires, you know. Gotta make them big and strong.
Cause all of this chemistry, it caught me by surprise. Baby, won't you take your time with love? I promise, boy, that we'll be alright. I don't want the rush to need the rest of me. Just make me want you more and more.
Wide open, oh yeah. Don't you wanna turn and walk away and talk to me? That's all I wanna push. Call me, kiss and love. I'll give you the promise of love. Just trying to get to know ya. I can give you the world, I can give you the world. Say whatever you want. 'Cause I don't wanna have to watch you go.
8. Dude, I fucking just killed that. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, what are you doing?
If you know, you know, you know. If you don't, then don't remind us. If you're looking for quiet, keep on going round me. I know the spot you need is so much more than an AirBNB. It's a destination. You know what I mean? I'll show you what you need. I know the place you wanna be. At the Dream Mansion. If you wanna go to Dream Mansion, it's the world's best Airbnb. That's where it is. It's the Dream Mansion.
A lot of cursing out there, Taylor.
Hey, you know, this game can be frustrating.
Oh, I'm hearing a lot of bad words.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, no.
Is that Max? Max going the wrong way.
Something bad happens.
That's your starting point now.
Yep, now that sucks. Yep. Yep, and that's where you start when you hear the ready. Don't fucking move. I didn't. That was okay. I don't know what you guys are listening for, but it's not the. Yes, it is. Let's get it going, baby. Come on. It's like an electric infestation. Back to the center's not gonna help you. Wow. The artery buggers could be taking it home. Almost. It is right there. I mean, any closer.
Oh, we're not gonna count that?
Any closer.
I didn't get it.
It is on the edge. Oh my God! Would you look at that?
1 inch line and 1 inch line.
I feel like y'all played this before. Hey, what's taking so long? Get it to the goal. Oh.